24/7 Teachers Training, a lesson-by-lesson tutorial for homogeneous teaching. We are an EdTech textbook publisher. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. CVC WORDS. Respected teacher, Assalamu alaikum. A warm welcome from Snowman Publishers. As we know that there are 4 basic skills for learning any language. These are listening, speaking, reading and writing. This informative video focuses on these skills so that children get maximum exposure, which will help them to become proficient learners in future. Listening and speaking activities. Say Assalamu alaikum and good morning to the children. Encourage them to greet you back. Introduce yourself to them. Then ask them to introduce themselves. If some children are shy and hesitant to speak, the teacher is supposed to introduce them to the whole class. Activity. This time, it is the CVC words. That is, consonant, vowel, consonant words or blends. These 3-letter words have consonants and vowels in them. Read them together. Read the words with the help of letter sounds like man, dam, mat, map, bed, jet, hen, leg, bin, hit, zip, kid, top, sob, pot, rod, sun, gum, jug, hut. Reinforcement worksheet can be downloaded from the following website: www.snowmanpublishers.com.